Features. Prawns have several distinguishable features. Body segmentation. Prawns have a body divided into three main segments: the head, the thorax, and the abdomen. Exoskeleton. They possess a hard exoskeleton that provides protection and must be molted for the prawn to grow. Long antennae. Prawns have long, slender antennae which they use for sensory purposes. Legs. They have 10 legs. Prawns have larger pincers on their second pair of legs rather than the front legs. Rostrum. This is a prominent, often serrated, forward extension of the carapace, located between the eyes. Coloration. Prawns can vary in color, often displaying shades of brown, pink, red, or gray, and can change color slightly depending on their environment. Gill structure. Prawns have branching gills, different from the lamellar gills seen in true shrimp. Habitat. They are typically found in both freshwater and marine environments, often near the bottom. Size. Prawns tend to be larger than shrimp, although this can vary between species.